Hey guys, Daniele here, your air fryer geek, and today we're gonna cook something that I absolutely love. Ready? Air fryer chicken wings. Second test for the Instapot air fryer lid. Let's check it out. Alright guys, today one of my absolute favorite chicken wings. Here you have 1 pound of chicken wings, and I'm gonna put about half teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna just add a little bit of freshly grounded black peppercorn. We keep it simple. We're gonna have a naked chicken wings, and then I will explain the sauce that I like to use it. Give it a mix, super quick. Then before placing into our Instapot air fryer lid, I like to place the wings with the skin up, and then brush it up a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm Italian, so it's almost the only oil that I use, and I love it. Just use, simple brush, very quick, one by one. I think it's better than using the spray oil because it guarantees that a uniform layer on top of every one of our chicken wings. Then another trick, really important when you use any air fryer there, you have to create a uniform layer. You cannot stack the chicken wings on top of the others or any other food on top of the others, because you have to allow the airflow to flow around all your food. For this case, I like to try to do like a couple of layers. The second layer I try to use less chicken wings in this case, because again, we want to airflow to really flow around the whole Instapot container. I'm gonna cook with 2 different temperatures. The first step is 375 for about 12 minutes. And then I will cook the last step at 400 degrees for about 6 to 8 minutes. Halfway through, I like to check the status of the cook. In this case, as you can see, still needs time, so I like to flip it over and get my chicken wings more minutes to cook. Here is the final result, as you can see, super crispy, listen, and here you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, and now let's have the wife test. Okay guys, chicken wings. We tried again the Instapot air fryer lid. I'm getting better, I think. Cheers.
Cheers.
I mean, my coating is
Your sauce is killer.
yeah, it's great. It
You
tastes
perfected it.
so good.
It was like
Super
a honey barbecue, honey hot, or something like that.
It is beautiful on the chicken wings. Is perfect. We love this chicken wing that we usually have in Arizona, and their taste really similar now. I still think that the Philips air fryer delivers slightly better results, a little bit more crispy.
Totally.
And while this Instapot air fryer lid seems like the air circulation is somehow a little bit slower or something like that, but still the results are amazing.
Yummy, yeah.
And it's super yummy, super good. You think?
Tastes almost like more like baked chicken.
Tastes a little bit more towards baked, while when we have the Philips, it is surprisingly closer to the
Actual
fryer.
chicken wings, yeah.
Probably have to still again play a little bit more with the Instapot air fryer lid, but anyway, they are super yummy. The sauce is amazing. You should try it. And guys, I'm Daniele D'Annunzio. I'm your fryer geek, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share this video, and see you next time.